Hey, it's Jay with 1791 Actual. This is going to be a really short one. This is an addendum to the last video talking about the bullet seating and crimp die, the combination die, where I didn't have a case that had been flared and ready to accept a bullet. So I went ahead and I reset one and got it ready. And we're going to jump over here. I've got my die is in, and I'm going to take my successful seating and crimp, and I ran it up just until the die body touches that crimp shoulder, and run the stem down just until it touches the top of the bullet. No pressure at all, just when it touches, you're there. Then lock down your jam nut. And now I put a case in. I set a bullet in the top. And as I bring this up, as it goes in, I feel it already. The top of that bullet is now touching my seating stem. And it's pressing it in. And about there, I feel it getting ready to do the crimp, and there it is. It did the crimp. I pull it out, and we don't really have quite as good of a crimp. So I actually need to adjust that just a little bit. There's my crimp. So now when I run that up in there, I bring my seating stem back down. I lock down my jam nut, and now I am good to go. I'll check my caliper, which is still set to 1.175 or 1.575, and we are there. So done with this one. Like I said, that was a quickie. No charge for the addendum. All right, y'all have a good day. God bless, and see you on the other side.